In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Docs background. If you've ever wanted your document to feel less stark or to match a specific brand or project aesthetic, changing the page color is a quick and effective way to do it. This setting updates the background of the entire document, so it's great for worksheets, cover pages, or on-screen reading. Just keep in mind that a darker background can affect readability and may use more ink if you print. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Make sure you're in the document you actually want to update, because the change will apply to every page in that file. You'll find the control for page color in the Page Setup menu, along with other layout settings like paper size and margins. At the top left of the screen, click File, then choose Page Setup. A small window will appear. In that window, look for the option labeled Page Color. It's a drop-down that shows your current background color. By default, that's white. Click the Page Color drop-down to see your choices. You'll get a palette of preset colors that work well for most documents. If you need something specific, select the custom option where you can type a hex code or use RGB values. This is useful if you're matching a brand color or staying consistent across multiple documents. If you're not sure about codes, you can drag the color picker until you find a shade that looks right. As you choose, think about contrast. Your text needs to be easy to read, so light backgrounds with dark text are usually safest. Soft pastels can add personality without straining the eyes. If you do choose a darker color, consider increasing your text size and weight for clarity. Also remember that images and tables will sit on top of the page color, so check that everything looks balanced. When you're happy with your selection, click OK to apply. The background color will update across the entire document at once. If you change your mind, you can immediately undo the change or return to Page Setup and pick a different color, including switching back to white. Collaborators who open the document will see the same background color, which is helpful when you're aligning on style. A quick note on printing. Some printers and browsers may ignore background colors unless specific settings are enabled, so always preview before you print to avoid surprises. And that's it. Open your doc, head to File and Page Setup, pick a page color using Preset, HX, or RGB, and click OK to apply. Simple, consistent, and a great way to make your documents stand out.